The best short-sightedness exercises. Blinking, like pressing refresh for your eyeballs. Refreshing, lubricating, and apparently vision enhancing. Studies from optometry researchers and wisdom from old-school holistic practitioners like William Bates suggest that conscious, frequent blinking help reduce eye strain, encourage tear production, and reset focus, literally helping you see better over time. Not magic, biology. The screen addiction syndrome. If you ever gone 2 hours without blinking while watching TikTok, congrats, you got eye strain. In 2025, over 70% of adults reported digital eye strain, and short-sightedness myopia is skyrocketing globally. Coincidence? Then I stumbled on a study where office workers who consciously blink every 2 seconds reported a 35% decrease in blurred vision after just 3 days. To acquire the habit of blinking need 3 months, so after 3 months it should be automatically. Here are blinking exercises you can start doing from today. Movement-based blink combos. First, step blink. Blink with every step you during a walk. Second, neck turn, blink. Once every time you gently turn your head left or right. Third, shoulder roll, blink with each roll of your shoulders forward and back. Fourth, toe tap, blink with each tap of your foot while seated. Fifth, arm lift, blink. Raise your arms and blink at the top. Lower and repeat. 6. Stretch and blink. Do a full body stretch and hold a long blink in the peak. 7. Finger snap, blink. Snap your fingers and blink with each snap. 8. Wrist roll, blink. Roll your wrist in circles while blinking at intervals. 9. Neck tilt, blink. Tilt your head side to side, blinking each time you tilt. Balance blink. Stand on one foot and blink rapidly for a few seconds. Breathe and mindfulness based blink. Inhale, blink. Blink as you inhale deeply. Exhale, blink. Blink once while thinking one thing you are grateful for. Focus-based blinking drills. Near-far blink. Focus on near object, blink. Focus on something far, blink. Clock gaze, blink. Look at imaginary position of a clock and blink at each hour mark. Focus shift. Blink every time you change your gaze from left, right, up. Number. Blink mentally. Count clockward from 10 and blink each count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look around the room and blink each time you spot specific color or shape. Light, dark, blink. Close your eyes and blink when shifting from light to dark shadow area. Creative blink styles. Wink, blink combo. Wink with one eye and blink both. Fast, slow blink. Do 3 quick blinks, then 1 long blink. Repeat. Mirror blink. Blink at yourself and the mirror while flashing a big smile like you are flirting with your own eyeballs. Pattern blink. Create a rhythmic blinking pattern, e.g. 2 short, 1 long. Emotion blink. Think of different emotion. Joy, calm, excitement, and blink as you embody each one. Blinking exercise will kickstart a chain reaction. Less strain, better micro rest of eye surface and retina, better eye muscle work, sharper natural focus. Sharper focus, fewer headaches, fewer blurriness. After 1 month, 40% reduction in dry eye syndrome, sight improvement in distance focus. Best part? Blinking is free.